As ordinary people, we are most concerned about the minutiae of our daily lives. But in the repetitive days, do you ever notice slight changes in the natural environment around you? Do you ever ponder about more distant matters occasionally? For example, have you ever thought about the extreme weather problems caused by climate change? Or have you considered how we will survive when natural energy sources are depleted? If you've ever considered these questions, then you might be interested in the following concept. Hello everyone, welcome to the Curiosity Club. Today, let's talk about an energy-efficient solution for office and residential spaces. Net zero energy buildings. Net zero energy building, abbreviated as nZEB, means that the net energy consumption of the building is zero. This means that the total energy consumption of the building is equal to the renewable energy it generates. In simple terms, the core concept of a net zero building is that the building's energy consumption is essentially self-sufficient. To build such a house, two key points need to be addressed. First, how to reduce energy consumption, and second, how to utilize renewable and recycled energy. In terms of reducing energy consumption, high-efficiency insulation and ceiling techniques can be employed in areas such as walls, roofs, floors, as well as indoor and window design, and handling building gaps, to minimize energy loss and decrease energy consumption. Energy-saving equipment and systems can also be utilized, such as high-efficiency heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, as well as LED lighting. Simultaneously, optimizing building design to maximize the use of natural light and natural ventilation can minimize the reliance on artificial lighting and air conditioning. In terms of utilizing renewable and recycled energy sources, the most common method is to install solar panels or solar water heating systems to convert solar energy into electricity or heat. If the site allows, wind turbines or wind energy storage systems can be utilized to convert wind energy into electricity. In certain situations, geothermal heat pumps or geothermal energy systems can be considered to harness stable energy from underground sources. Additionally, rainwater harvesting systems and greywater recycling systems can be implemented to minimize reliance on municipal water supply and achieve the recycling of water resources. Here, greywater refers to wastewater from sources such as washing machines, showers, and sinks, which is relatively easy to treat. Of course, in addition to these measures, nZEB also requires smart control systems to monitor and adjust internal environmental parameters in real time. This is done to optimize energy efficiency to the maximum extent while ensuring the comfort and health of occupants. The Bullitt Center, located in Seattle, Washington, is a prime example of a net zero energy building. Built in 2013, the Bullitt Center aims to be the world's greenest commercial building. It utilizes solar panels to generate electricity for the building. The windows and curtains automatically open and close based on indoor and outdoor temperatures. Additionally, it harnesses geothermal energy from underground sources to produce hot water for floor heating. The building's roof collects rainwater, which is then filtered and used as potable water or for irrigation of greenery. Because of these sustainable features, the Bullitt Center is often referred to as a living building. The concept of net zero energy is not limited to large-scale buildings, it can also be applied to the realm of home renovation. In fact, many people are becoming increasingly conscious of incorporating solar photovoltaic systems into their homes during renovations. These systems harness solar energy and connect the electricity generated from the sun to the home's overall power grid, achieving self-sufficiency in household electricity supply. Although nZEB offers significant improvements to our lives and the environment, their widespread adoption is not easy. Firstly, designing and constructing nZEB typically involve higher costs due to the additional engineering and design work required. This can deter individuals or organizations with limited financial resources from pursuing such projects. Secondly, achieving energy-efficient renovations requires more complex energy and control systems in buildings. This complexity increases the risk and demands higher technical expertise for implementation and maintenance. Not all construction companies or personnel possess the necessary knowledge and skills. Furthermore, in pursuit of extremely high energy efficiency, nZEB may sometimes sacrifice a certain level of comfort and adaptability. For example, enhancing building ceiling may lead to decreased indoor air quality, or restrictions on natural light and ventilation. Not everyone may be willing to accept such modifications to their living environment. However, regardless of the challenges, in the face of the limited availability of natural resources, nZEB are indeed one of the solutions for humans to coexist with nature. Many countries and organizations are actively promoting related projects. It is hoped that in the future, nZEB will become increasingly common in our lives. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, see you next time.